Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS Success. Today I'm gonna share with you about the details of IELTS and I'll try to share everything in this video. Okay, let's go for what is IELTS? The International English Language Testing System measures the language proficiency of people who want to study or work where English is used as a language of communication. It uses a 9-band scale to clearly identify levels of proficiency, from non-user band score 1 though to expert band score 9. Who is eligible for IELTS? For taking the IELTS exam, your minimum age should be at least 16 years. And you must have a valid passport. You will be eligible to take the exam if you fall into one of the categories: planning to study in UK, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA, being a medical professional, planning to work or study further in UK, Australia, USA, planning to immigrate to Canada, Australia, New Zealand. What are the passing marks in IELTS? There is no such passing marks in IELTS. There is a band range from 1 to 9. If you are not attempting the paper, then you will get 0 scores. You will achieve the band based on each of the 4 modules. The overall band score are calculated by taking the main result for each part of the test. What are the modules in IELTS? The IELTS test assesses your ability in listening, reading, writing, and speaking in less than 3 hours. There are 2 types of IELTS: academic and general training. Listening and speaking are the same for both tests, but the subject of matter, the reading and writing sections, differs depending on which test you take. The listening, reading, and writing sections of all IELTS tests are completed on the same day, with no breaks in between them. The speaking sections, however, can be completed up to a week before or after the other test. Your test center will advise. The total test time is 2 hours and 45 minutes. What IELTS exam should I take? Or which IELTS module should I choose? IELTS has 2 modules, IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training. Both the test assesses your abilities in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The subject matter of the test components differs depending on which test you want to take. IELTS Academic. For those who want to apply for higher education in a university and other institution or pursue professional registration such as medical doctors and nurses in English-speaking country. IELTS General Training. For those who are planning to migrate or applying for secondary education, training program, and work experience in English-speaking country. What is the syllabus of IELTS? IELTS syllabus comprise of 4 modules: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. There are 2 versions of the IELTS test: IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training. These 2 test versions differs on reading and writing modules, as listening and speaking modules are same in both the test versions. How many months preparation is required for IELTS? A student aiming for a 6.5 overall may need to do more work than a student who require a higher score, because their researchability is worse. Students spend at least 6 to 8 weeks preparing for the IELTS exam, focusing on basic grammar, reading speed, test strategies, and writing skill.